So, are you thinking about your next big career move? I'm not talking about just another job, but a real opportunity to launch your future. Well, you might want to listen up, because IDBI Bank could have the perfect role for you.
Right now, IDBI Bank is on the hunt for junior assistant managers. That's a grade O position for their 2026-27 batch. And let me tell you, this isn't just a small hiring announcement. It's a pretty big deal.
And when I say big, I really mean it. Just look at this number. That's 1,100 tentative vacancies. So this is a major recruitment drive, with chances to get in all across the country.
Okay, so to make sure you've got everything you need, here's what we're going to cover. We'll look at the opportunity itself, check out the eligibility requirements, talk about the pay and career path, run through the key dates you absolutely can't miss, break down the selection process, and finally, show you exactly how to apply.
All right, let's dive right into the heart of it. These 1,100 positions, where are they, and what's the deal?
So here you can see a breakdown of the vacancies by zone. And while there are jobs nationwide, you can see some serious hotspots. The Delhi NCR and Rajasthan zone has a whopping 130 spots, and so does the Mumbai zone. Lucknow isn't far behind with 85 openings. Just remember, and this is important, you can only apply for one zone. Okay, so you know where the jobs are. Now for the million-dollar question, can you apply? This next part is basically your personal checklist, so let's see if you tick all the right boxes.
So take a second and really ask yourself, do you have what it takes to be an IDBI Junior Assistant Manager? Let's find out right now. Here are the two big ones. First up, education. You need a bachelor's degree from a recognized university, and you need at least 60% marks. Now, there is a little leeway. It drops to 55% for SC, ST, and persons with benchmark disabilities. Second, your age. You've got to be between 20 and 25 years old as of the cutoff date, which is March 1st, 2026. And there are a few other things, too. You have to have actually finished your degree by that March 1st date. You'll also need to be pretty good with the local language of the zone you're applying to, know your way around a computer, and, of course, be a citizen of India or meet some other specific criteria they've laid out.
So, you've checked the boxes and you're eligible. Awesome. Now for the fun part. What's in it for you? Let's talk about the money, the benefits, and where this job could take you.
Let's get right to it, the numbers. On a cost-to-company basis, or CTC, you're looking at a package between 6.14 and 6.50 lakh rupees per year if you get posted in a major city. For a starting position, that is a really competitive salary.
And what about moving up? The path is actually pretty clear. After just 3 years of service in this entry-level role, you'll be eligible for promotion to the next level, which is grade A. So there's a definite ladder to climb here.
Now, it's worth knowing that when you first start, you'll be on probation for 1 year. This is pretty standard stuff, really. It just gives you a year to get settled in and show them what you can do before you're fully confirmed.
Okay, I need your full attention here. This next part is super time-sensitive. If you're serious about this, you need to pull out your phone or calendar and mark these dates down right now.
Let's get this timeline straight. First, March 1st, 2026. That's the big cutoff date for meeting all the eligibility rules. Next, and this is crucial, the online registration and payment window is tight. It's only open from March 8th to March 19th. And then, get ready, because the online test is tentatively scheduled for just a few weeks later on April 12th.
So you got your application in on time. What happens next? Let's walk through the whole selection process step by step so there are no surprises.
It's a pretty straightforward 4-stage process. It all kicks off with the online test. If you pass that, you'll move on to document verification, and then a personal interview, and the very last step before you get an offer is the pre-recruitment medical test, just to make sure you're good to go.
Now, this is really important for your prep strategy. Your final selection is based on a combined score. The online test makes up a massive 3/4 of your final score, while the personal interview is the last quarter. So what does that tell you? It tells you that you have to absolutely crush that online test.
So, are you feeling ready to go for it? Awesome. Let's get down to the practical part and walk through exactly how to get that application submitted.
The whole thing is online, so it's pretty simple. First, you're going to go to the IDBI Bank website, find the Careers section, and click the Apply Online link for this specific job. From there, you'll register your basic details, fill out the main application form, and pay the fee. And here's a pro tip. When you're done, make sure you print and save a copy of your application and the receipt. You'll thank me later.
And to make your life a whole lot easier, you should get these documents ready ahead of time, especially for that verification stage. You'll need proof of your age, all your mark sheets and degree certificates, some kind of proof of language for your zone, and of course any caste or disability certificates if they apply to you.
So, we've broken it all down. 1,100 jobs, a great starting salary, a clear path for promotions. The only question left is, could this be that first big step into your new banking career? If you think it might be, you know what to do.